According to members of the Linda Katiba movement, Kenya is in a crisis, adding that more guidelines should be streamlined to solve the menace in the economy and corruption. Miriam Jahid with more on this story.
Mumba, an outstant member of the Linda Katiba movement, has castigated how worship areas are being used by the politicians as the avenues for breeding corruption while addressing a joint forum of religious organization.
I've gone into a church in this country where a politician who is a known thief, I'll not talk about him, there are many, and because there are many of them, is entering the church in my rural home, and the clergyman stops in the middle of a sermon and says, "Let us welcome so and so." And immediately that happens, he is invited to the pulpit to desecrate the pulpit. When a country has reached those levels, then that country needs not only prayers but action.
As politics realignment takes shape ahead of the 2022 general elections, it has prompted politicians to merge their political parties so as to attract more votes, as every region is eyeing to field a candidate to vie for presidential position. However, PLO Lumumba has called out political leaders who are using their tribal fame to bargain in forming coalitions despite constitution stipulating national unity.
Ethnic warlords who have hypnotized their constituencies, and they have succeeded in telling them that if one of your own does not occupy the prized office, then you are in danger.
NAK Kenya party leader Martha Karua has also faulted the panel tasked with the role of filling the void in the position of the IBC commissioners, saying it came up with wrong individuals after what she terms as shoddy interviews. In a nutshell, the movement has urged the government to implement policies that will guide the country as they feel the state is an inch closer to failing. It's a day after a day, political coalitions are being formed in preparation to 2022 general elections. But the question still remains, are the interests of Mwananchi being impacted on those coalitions? Mariam Jahid, Switch TV, Nairobi.
Thank you, Mariam Jahid.